Hello everyone, Coach Step Shop here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're gonna do another sneaker unboxing because I bought a second-hand pair of an Anta basketball shoe that I really wanted to purchase a few weeks ago. But unfortunately, the Anta official shop in Shopee canceled my order of the Anta GH2. I was really bummed about it because they featured it as available, and when I bought it, suddenly it wasn't. Although they refunded my purchase, so the credit card bill was reversed immediately, so that's up to them. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to cop a pair on retail, brand new. However, I found a seller from Facebook Marketplace who was willing to sell his Anta GH2 in the colorway that I wanted to really get. And he only wore this once, I think in the mall, and it's way cheaper compared to the standard retail price. So I was able to purchase this at $3,400. The standard retail price of this is $5,700. And this is the Anta GH2 in the Chinese colorway, Chinese New Year colorway. So join me as I unbox, fit, and take my first impressions about the shoe. Let's do this. Man, this still smells nice. Feels brand new. No traction marks, no issues whatsoever. I think I may have found a good steal. Alright, so let's do a box inspection first. So unfortunately for the Gordon Hayward 2 signature shoe, the box is the most generic box. So it's just a brand box, anta.com, QR code leading to the website, no details on the right. On the left, it's the shoe, photo of the shoe, size 12, red, white, gold is the colorway. The upper is made out of mesh and synthetic leather, while the outsole is molding, EVA, RB, and TPU. And then there's the other sizes in the other measurements, Euro, UK, and Chinese. The back, there's nothing. Well, what I like about Anta boxes is that they have a size chart. So you'll know which sizes are you in the different measurements. But again, absolutely nothing signature related. So no logos, no pictures, nada. So let's do the unboxing. Right? So nothing also. The box, the tissue paper is just plain white, but the shoe is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. This is how it looks like. This is the Gordon Hayward 2 Chinese New Year colorway. Yeah, so it does appear to be similar to a red dragon, red and gold dragon, with the teeth marks. Right, let's go through the detail of the shoe. Right, the traction pattern features a paw-like design. Okay. So it's decoupled with only portion here just connecting the two, the forefoot and the heel. Alright, the logo of Anta is here in the lateral side, in the medial side rather. The front says Gordon. The other shoe says Hayward. Okay, so the Go and the Hard are embossed. While the RDON and the YWA is not. Okay. So what else? Number 20. So jersey number. And this portion says every time. Chinese characters at the back. I don't know what they mean. There's also the Anta name here in the pull tab in the front, the tongue, Pull tab in the back is just red and gold. So the stitch marks are really nice. Really will give you a strong impression of Chinese culture. So there's this Gordon Hayward. It says "Go Hard" and then the Anta logo. Okay. There's, I don't know if you can see this in the video, but there's the Gordon Hayward logo on the insole. Okay. There's the Anta logo in gold, and this shank plate that holds a piece of the lacing system. It's also a gold Anta logo. It says here in the midsole Alti Flash, so that's the tech that they're using for the cushion setup of the GH2. And what else? What other details? It was firm. So the Achilles pillows are red here. Hopefully this will be easy to fit. I'm excited to try these on. Yep, true to size it is. Alright, so I'm done with my workout. My first try on of the Anta GH2. So, first impressions, even though they're size 12 and they feel like they're a good fit, I think I could have had more comfort and more stability if I had it a size, half size down. But unfortunately, I think Anta shoes don't have an 11.5. So, I think I'll be good with this. Cushion setup's nice, so there's a back protection. When I tried plyometric movements like jumps, calf raises, they felt good. So I didn't feel any instability. I felt protected. I I also used this for deadlifts, so I think it had quite the amount of traction, floor grip for my workouts. So this is good actually. Bracing system feels snug, secure. I can tighten it up more if I want to. Okay. When I'm doing what do you call this? Calf raises, heel raises. There's not much differences in terms of the structure of the shoe, so I think it'll be stable. And overall, I like it. I like the colorway. You know, it's the first time that I've seen a shoe with forefoot that's really embroidered. So the art here feels more like a cloth piece of clothing rather than a shoe. So I really dig it. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of colors, but the crimson dominating theme is really pleasant to the eye. So there. So that's my initial impressions of the Anta GH2. I love it. I love the color scheme. I love the shape of the shoe. I love it being a low top. It's easy to fit in. It's something that I'll keep as part of my sneaker rotation during my workouts. Oh, it's easy to get it off your foot as well. So there. So I hope you enjoyed my video about the Anta GH2. I think it's a great follow-up to the Anta GH1. So Anta's been killing it in the sneaker game. So my overall thoughts is that I wish the shoes would be cheaper. Even though a lot of Anta shoes really get their prices down quite fast. But not as fast as Adidas shoes, where you can usually find them at 50 off. This one, the Anta pairs really, you know, they only get up to 20 to 30% off in most stores, except for their outlet ones. Okay, so that's it. Hope you guys were able to enjoy seeing me review and use this shoe. God bless, take care, stay safe and strong everyone. Bye!